Ndakugeithia muno mwiroreri wa Kiheo TV hwaini wa umuthi na ngakwamukira thiini wa mutamburuko wa Kiheo Kabiru tukorwo tugikumenyithia maria matinda makihandika guku bururi-ini thiini wa kiondo gitu kia mohoro maria tukuhaririirie nie njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani nake mutwathiriri na njira ciiko etagwo Vivian Wangici na tukiambiriria ni ati mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni arutite ndumiriri yake kuri bururi. President ni ataririe maundu ma bata maria ahotete gukinyaniria ihinda-ini ria miaka 3 iria akoretwo ari president. Gatagati ka maria president agwetete ni utungata wa urigiti wa SHA, waki wa nyumba cia thogora wa thi nicio affordable houses na uthii wa nambere guothe bururi-ini gatagati ka mangi maingi.
Message home that
62 years shaped by struggle, sacrifice, hardship, triumph, and milestones that have affirmed our spirit. From that reflection came one undeniable truth. We have made commendable progress, but Kenya still punches way below its true weight. This nation has the talent, the resources, and the spirit not just to improve, but to leap and to make the transition from a developing country to a developed one within our lifetime. That is why I speak today with full conviction that history has summoned this generation, our generation, at such a time as this, to a higher purpose. Some eras are shaped by events. Others are defined by the decisions a nation makes. And today, Kenya is called to make such a decision, to finish the journey our forebears began, and finally turn our long-held potential into lived reality. To do this, we must cast off the prevailing mindset of being content with the average. We must step beyond the comfort of the familiar and the ordinary. We moved quickly to restore education as the great equalizer. Through the student-centered funding model, scholarships and loans now follow need and merit, placing the learner at the center. Nearly 500,000 students have already benefited from this model. We then tackled the teacher crisis head-on. We have hired, as you all know, 76,000 teachers with 24,000 more to be brought in by January next year. Allow me to turn to a sector that carries the hopes of nearly every Kenyan family, our micro, small, and medium enterprises. MSMEs are the backbone of our economy, the engine room of innovation, and the daily hustle of more than 15 million Kenyans. For decades, access to affordable credit trapped millions in frustration. Without collateral, there was no loans. For the millions blacklisted, every door of opportunity was shut. And when banks refused to take a chance, their dreams simply stalled. As promised, we broke that cycle. The Financial Inclusion Fund, the Hustler Fund, now stands as the largest financial inclusion program since independence, extending over 80 billion shillings to 7 million Kenyans. And those who were blacklisted, the 7 million once blacklisted Kenyans, have since repaired their credits. 3 million small businesses and their owners, previously locked out of the formal finance, are now banked. And 2 million Kenyans are now frequent borrowers.
Message home.
Tũgĩthiĩ kũngĩ atĩ mũini wĩ gatũ wa nyĩmbo cia kũgoca Mwathani Betty Bayo nĩ arĩkĩtie kũhurũkio. Igongona rĩa mathiko rĩtabanĩirio kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Ndumberi kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, na thutha ũcio ahurũkio gwake mũciĩ mwena wa Mugumo kaunti-inĩ ĩyo. Betty Bayo ahurũkire tarĩki 10 mweri ũyũ akĩrigitwo mũrimũ wa kansa ya thakame thibitarĩ-inĩ wa mathomo wa Kenyatta. Nĩ igongona rĩgwĩkinyĩtio nĩ makiri ma andũ, gatagatĩ kao arĩ andũ a family, munini wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri Professor Kithure Kindiki, atongoria a ikĩro itiganĩte, ahunjia, aini na andũ angĩ aingĩ. Kuma gwa Kĩheo TV tũkahoera family thayũ na kũũmĩrĩria kwa mathayũ Betty Bayo amu no kũrĩtuka thayũ.
Mimi nashukuru vile nimefika hapa, na vile vile natoa rambirambi zangu kwa familia, kwa watoto, kwa mume na watu wote wa familia ya Betty. Na ninaomba Mungu ailaze mahali pema peponi. Ya pili, niseme ya kwamba Mungu ametupatia talanta mbalimbali. Huyu dada yetu alikuwa mwanamuziki na alikuwa mtu wa Mungu. Mimi sikuwa na bahati kukutana na yeye, sikumjua personally, lakini nilijua wimbo wake. Nasikia ameimba nyimbo mingi, lakini mimi nilikuwa najua wimbo moja, The 11th Hour. Na huyo wimbo Mungu alitumia ulimi wa dada yetu kubariki mioyo ya watu wengi, kuinua mioyo ya familia nyingi.
I am a man learning to walk with a weight he can never put down. But hear this, my love, and hold it close in your internal rest. My commitment to our children is now the very engine of my life. They are our living legacy, the most precious pieces of you left on this earth.
My mother had a lot of hopes and dreams for me. She wanted me to reach heights that are unimaginable. The moment she saw the talent, she tried to embrace and nurture no matter what the crowd said. She was the only one who truly believed in me and knew there was something in me. The only thing I can promise her now is that with or without her, I will accomplish all the awards we talked about, even dedicate them all to her.
Your love will always be my guiding light. I will love you forever in my heart always. And with the love from Daniel, I will always remember you. And I always tell myself every single day, crying won't change a thing. The only thing I can do is make her proud.
Arohuruka uhoro Betty Bayo. Na tugithii na mbere nĩ atirĩrĩ kambĩini gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Malava kaunti-inĩ ya Kakamega cithiĩte na mbere. Ahũranĩri iturwa matiganĩte nĩ mokanĩrĩire makiuga atĩ kũrĩ na njama ya kũrĩha mbeũ njĩthĩ arĩa magũthararia gĩthurano kĩrĩa gĩbangĩtwo tarĩki 27 mweri ũyũ. Gĩkundi kĩrĩa kĩranyita mbaru mũhũranĩri wa kĩama kĩa ODM David Ndakwa gĩgĩtongorio nĩ gavana wa Kakamega Fernandes Barasa na mũmbunge wa Navakolo Emmanuel Wangwe nĩ macerete kũndũ gũtiganĩte, na kũrĩa maugĩte atĩ atongoria amwe a mũng'ethanĩro marabanga kũrehe ngũĩ na ngucanio, na kũrĩa morĩtie atĩ kũgĩa na gĩthurano kĩrĩ na thayũ.
Kama serikali tuko tayari kupiga kura ya amani, na watu wa Malava wameamua Mheshimiwa Ndakwa atakuwa mbunge wao. Hiyo mambo ya vitisho, hiyo mambo ya kuleta guns hapa, sisi tunataka kuambia we are putting you on notice. Tunataka all our police officers kushika doria, kwa sababu tarehe 27 kura ambayo inapigwa Malava ni kura ya amani, na sisi hatuna fujo na mtu yeyote.
Mimi nataka kuambia serikali, kama wananchi hawa wamewakataa, hamuwezi kulasimishia wananchi mtu ambaye hawataki. Wao jamaa wamechukua vijana wakora waizi wale wanauanga watu Nairobi. Mabasi ngapi? 2. Ya kwanza imewasili. Wamechukua vijana kutoka Dandora, kutoka Kayole, kutoka Mathare, kutoka Kibira, wanawaleta hapa ni wafanye kazi na wale polisi 6.
Tunataka vijana tufanye campaign ya amani. Vile mmenikaribisha hapa, wale wengine wakikuja kutembea, wacha wapate amani yao. Sisi na Mheshimiwa Ndakwa tunasema amani idumu. Na wenzetu mpango yao mbaya wanasema kwamba 1 2 3, sisi tunawaambia hiyo ni yenu. Vijana wa Mbiakalo, siku ijayo ya Thursday ijayo mtoke mpiga kura kwa amani na tulinde kura. Yule ataleta vurugu, serikali itakamata yeye.
Weke mtu kwa serikali, ukitaka barabara lazima upate kwa serikali. Barabara huwezi kupata kwa opposition. Nimewaletea sub county Kabras West. Nyinyi mkitaka mtu mwenye ataendeleza, ijue kwamba inatoka wapi, imefika wapi na inaenda wapi, ni mimi David Ndakwa. Serikali iko hapa, president yako hapa, maendeleo iko wapi? Hapa. Upande hii hata hawana candidate wa president, hawana serikali na hawana resources ya maendeleo.
Tugetigana na icio tukurora riboti ngina kuria family imwe kaunti-ini ya Kajiado mararĩrĩra kĩhoto kĩao kũrũmĩrĩra gĩkuũ kĩrĩa kĩa mwana wao mwaka-inĩ ũmwe taũni-inĩ ya Kitengela. George Kariuki na ũrĩa no wa ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 20 erĩkanĩte agũire kuma ngoroba ya gatano thutha wa gũikio nĩ macini ĩmwe ya mĩako na gũkua hau. Gũkĩrĩ ũguo andũ a family nĩ matetete makĩũria kĩrĩa gĩatũmire ngoroba ĩyo gũkorwo ĩgĩthiĩ na mbere na gwakwo mathaa-inĩ ma ũtukũ. Ithe wa Njoroge Francis Gitonga ni agwetete mwana wake ta mwana urari na kio wirutiri na mwathiki. Riu ni morite kihoto kia gukorwo gikionekana.
Hii ni jambo yenye wakati niliambiwa hivyo nilistuka, nikastajabu sana, kwa sababu hiyo kitendo ya mtu kuanguka juu ya nyumba, alafu masaa yenye nilisikia ati alianguka ni masaa ya saa 2 za usiku. Alafu nikakomesha hii kitendo, kwa sababu kampuni wanafaa kuwajibika na mambo ya kazi. Hiyo ni kampuni kubwa, wanafaa waajibike wakiwa kazini, wanafaa kuwa na watu wao wenye wako na experience ya kufanya hiyo kazi. Hiyo ni jambo ya tumeikomesha, na hiyo kitendo haifai katika mjengo. Tumekomesha hiyo kitendo.
Nilipokea karibu saa 3 hata mtoto wangu ameanguka. Nikatuma brother yake akuja aangalie. Akikuja akaambia brother yake wako kwa moshari. Alifundisha Matinga, anataka kuenda tarehe 22 kwa mtihani mwezi huu.
Na kitendo hichi kakiakuwa wako kazini ya usiku, inafaa kuwa kama kampuni, inafaa kuwa na watu ambao wako na experience. Jua kuna vile nitapatiwa hii machine kama siko na experience. Ya pili, kama hii kifaili kwenye yenye inatumika, kwa sababu gani ifanyike wakati ambao hufai? Juu machine mingi hufanyika wakati ambao unafaa wa mchana.
Turakioka family yo ni gukorwo igikiona kihoto kia mwana wao, na riboti yo gukorwo igitwe mweke wa kwamba guikiria ndugathi haraya tukorwo tugicokereria gukumenyithia mangi.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nĩ wĩharĩirie kuoya ikinya mbere harĩ kĩrĩa wĩriragĩria gũthoma. Ndũgathinĩke rĩngĩ rĩu kuona Jewel Technical College marĩ haha nĩ ũndũ waku. Tũthomithagia kothi itiganĩte ta journalism and media studies nĩguo memerekia, hospitality management nĩguo rugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy nĩmo maũndũ megemainie na ũthaka, ICT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makĩria moguo. Nĩ tũrĩ na thiomi cia nanja nĩcio Korean language o hamwe na German. Tucerere Jewel Complex gorofa ya 6 kũrigania na TRM. No tũhũrĩre thimũ namba 0713 nĩyo 0701300071 kana no tucerere rũrenda-inĩ rwitũ nĩruo jewelcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi, electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo Kemuma, njoo na mimi twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi, njoo na mimi twende Kemuma Engineering System. Wa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Tomugate wiki ũngĩtũria mũndũ muoyo, ĩndĩ kiugo kiumĩte kanua-inĩ ka Jehova nĩ gĩtũragia mũndũ muoyo.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kuzuia kubeba msalaba. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kubeba msalaba, lakini akakubali kubeba msalaba kwa ajili ya kuleta utukufu kwa Baba. Oh, hallelujah.
O muthenya wa Friday thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ nyitanagĩra na ndungata cia Ngai kuma kanitha wa Jesus Wina Ministry tabarĩra-inĩ ya neno la uzima.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa na kukufa. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kusulubiwa, lakini akakubali. Ndio jina la Baba liweze kutukuzwa. Haleluya.
Ugatarwo na maandĩko, ukahoerwo na ukaheo mwĩhoko mũtũrĩre-inĩ. Neno la uzima nĩtũgie karĩko.
Of God, I love your voice. You have led me through the fire.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩtwacokereria tũthiĩ na mbere na mohoro ma Kĩheo Kabirũ na ceceni njerũ ya ũthii wa na mbere ĩrĩa yarugũririo gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Tarbi ĩrĩa ĩrĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Marsabit nĩkĩhĩmbĩrĩtio na njĩra nene na kũria mũingĩ a mwena ũcio ũhũthĩre tekinoronjĩ harĩ ũrĩmi na nĩguo kwagĩrithia mĩtũrĩre yao oro ũndũ ũmwe na ya Akenya. Gavana wa mwena ũcio Mohamed Ali na mũmbunge wa gĩcigo kĩu Wario Guyo nĩ marugũrĩtie Desert Star Innovation and Sustainability na ũndũ ũrĩa ũkenereirio nĩ andũ othe na kwamũkĩrwo na njĩra nene. Ũkĩrĩ ũguo atongoria maugĩte atĩ ceceni ici nĩ igũkorwo igĩteithĩrĩria andũ aingĩ hamwe na mbeũ njĩthĩ gũkorwo magĩkũria kĩmũtũrĩre.
Nowadays the youths, most of them they are in drugs due to the unemployment. In this way, these job opportunities, this hub will going to solve this drug abuse that many youths are falling in. Now that we are in a digital world, the world is digital, and our countries we are aiming and industrialization. We can do a job marketing online. Many youths are going to benefit. We are going to get many laborers, and that's those who are going to, many youths are going to work in those farms, and those opportunities are going to be closer to our people. That would do those the question of that weather, what they are going to do in the future.
For me and for the youths, my fellow youths, I see the ICT helping us to create jobs, and also one is able to have the online classes, and it connects us with the global marketing. As part of Strathmore University and Wireless Planet Community Networks Initiative, we have low-cost weather stations that are able to collect hyper-local weather data up to a radius of at least 3 kilometers. So what that means, you're able to get the weather variability at a very low, high resolution, which is needed for actionable weather and climate information services. So we can combine this data with other data sets such as satellite-derived data sets to be able to produce more accurate weather, things like weather forecast and early warning systems.
Just learned that one of the things that is happening here is also to try help the locals to start doing agriculture with this soil. So of course we'll use that in combination with this data information to ensure that at least they are up to date.
Aikari gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Awendo nĩ moretio gũkorwo magĩtigĩrĩra atĩ o mũciĩ ũrĩ na kĩoro na arĩ ta njĩra ĩmwe ya kũgacĩrithia ũtheru oro hamwe na ũgima mwega wa mwĩrĩ. Akĩaria mũthĩ wa cioro thĩinĩ wa thĩ World Toilet Day, igongona rĩrĩa rĩtabanĩirio thukuru-inĩ wa mũthingi wa Awendo, Caleb augĩte atĩ kaunti ĩyo nĩ yandĩkithĩtie wongerereku wa cioro na gwĩkĩrĩra makĩria cioro njega na makĩria kũrĩ ciana, na nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra mĩtũrĩre ya ciana ndĩrĩ hatĩka-inĩ na nĩ imenyereirwo kaunti-inĩ ya Migori.
Sanitation in Migori County stands at 83.3%, which is not a bad number, and hand washing points in Migori County also stands at 65.5%. And I want to say that we are encouraging each and every household to have toilets which are not only toilets, but they should be good toilets, clean toilets, and also accessible. Why do we need toilets in homes? To prevent diseases which are related to poor sanitation. I want to say that as a county government, we started the program of constructing ECD centers so that they can be well equipped, and after we shall have ensured that all the ECD centers have classrooms, we shall also advocate for them to have proper sanitation, toilets which are friendly. This one we have been collaborating with the schools which are hosting the ECD centers, so that the young children who are also in the ECD classes can be able to have toilets which are accessible and also which are in good use. When we look at the statistics, like last year on 19th November when we celebrated World Toilets Day, there is a significant improvement in terms of the statistics. And as we have done a lot of sensitization and in collaboration with the national government and also our partners, we are looking forward to Migori to be an open defecation-free county.
Today we've done it in Awendo because Awendo sub-county, the latrine coverage is not very good, is at 67%, and we've been talking to the community to improve it so that we take care of the 33 that are remaining, so that we can be able to prevent illness that are related to wash. What we know is that 80% of what we treat in Migori County is wash related. So if we have, all of us have toilets, we shall have reduced on these conditions.
Improving on the issues of access. So in Migori County, in Nyatike, we have done 6 water points, And out of these 6 water points, 3 of them are already fitted with the water ATMs, which enhances the collection and monitoring of the water usage, and also being very much transparent in the issues of accountability.
Riboti yo igukorwo igituithiraniria kiheo kabiru thaa 1 tucemanie cianda wega thaa 3 kurehera maya na maria tukorwo tukiamukira metha-ini itu ya mohoro ngatho cia mwanya ni tondu wa kunyitanira hamwe na ithui na riothe makorwo magiteithiriria gukinyaniria mohoro maya. Nie njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani, mutwathiriri na njira ciko etagwo Vivian Wangici. Tucemanie thaa 3.